I'm Pablo, and this is Bribba, and today we're going to teach you the basics of lockpicking. Here, we have a basic 5-piece lockpicking set. It contains 2 picks, a torsion bar, and 2 rakes. We're going to be picking this lockbox. Now first, insert your torsion bar into the upper part of the lock, or where your flat edge of your key would go. Then, while applying slight pressure, take your rake and insert it over the pins. Feel the pins until you get a turn, and then simply unlock and open. And that's our basic instructional video on how to lockpick.